Hey guys, this is HP DESKJET 4120E 4100 series. I want to show you how to scan documents with ADF. To scan your document from automatic document feeder, you need to make sure there is no document on the glass scanner. Then take the document you want to scan and stick the document on top of ADF. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to go to the HP Smart app. This printer and mobile phone are both connected via Wi-Fi network and with HP Smart app. So you need to select printer scan, then scroll from the top. You select the paper size A4, so you can scan 3.5 by 5 inch paper, 4 by 6 inch photo paper, 5 by 7 inch photo paper, letter 8.5 by 11 inch, and A4 paper. So it's currently in A4 paper. You will see a good mark to show you currently in A4. Then you go back, then select source, scroll to select document feeder. You will see a good mark in the document feeder. If you are scanning with the glass scanner, then you need to select glass scanner. We want to do this scan using ADF. Then go back, then resolution, the maximum is 300 dpi with phone, and it's currently in 300. Then also we want to scan this document in colored. Then go back. Once you select that, you also need to make sure if you are scanning photo, then you select photo. If you are scanning document, make sure it's in document, then select scan. Now this is the document we scanned from ADF. Now if you want to scan the second one, then you need to stick the second document on top of the ADF. Make sure the information is facing up. Okay, then select. If you are not happy with this document, you can also select the three dots for you to delete it, select it. Okay, you have option for you to delete it, replace or delete. Okay, but I'm happy with it. Then the next thing to do is you need to select the plus to scan the second one. Select plus and make sure all the information, source, ADF, automatic, page size, make sure it's A4 and also color, resolution 300, and select scan. There we go. This is the second document, and I'm happy with it. Now, this is a document we scanned. Okay, you can save this document. Once you scan the document, you select save. To save it, type the name or how you want the document to be saved. And also select basic PDF, which is file setting, and language is English. Then select save. Then we are saving this in the download section. Save. Now this document is saved. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you save the document. Now if you want to print this document out, you need to select print preview, and you will see this printer here, and also the paper is 2 pages. Then you scroll down and select how many copies, and also page range. We want to print all, and also in colored. The paper size A4, orientation, scroll down to portrait, then select more option. Make sure print quality, best quality, scaling, scroll down fill page, then you go back and select print. This is the first one. Document we scan from ADF. This is the first one. Okay, this is the document, second one. Okay, this document we scan. If you want to share this document to somebody, you can also select share button. Then make sure you select PDF, and also the size. You can also reduce the size to 0.7 MB and select share. Once you select share, it gives you option for you to share this via email address to somebody. So I'm going to share this document to myself. So first of all, you wait for this document is attached to my inbox. Then type the email address of the recipient. Okay, and put the subject hi, and type the message. Subject hi, message hi. Then you select send. Now this document is sent to my inbox. Then you go back to the home page. Okay, from here. So we have printed this document, shared this document, and also saved this document. Another thing I want to show you is how to copy document from this printer. To copy a document, you need to open up the scanner, stick the document you want to copy, face down, then you select the button. This is for you to copy black. So you press it once to copy the document once, and you can see the one is highlighting. If you want to copy it twice, you press this twice, the number will change. This is the document you copied, black. Okay, want to copy this color twice, first and second one, and the number change to 2. If you want to cancel it, if you change your mind, you can also press this button here for you to cancel it. So now this job is cancelled. Okay, the job is cancelled. So to copy the document, we want to copy it only once. Color, you select copy once, and here you go. So now this document is going to copy. There we go. So this is the document. We copied this colored and copy this black. This is how to copy your document, scan it, and print it out, okay, using ADF. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.